Imambara located? A. Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Agra. Correct answer is B. Lucknow. What is the capital of Assam? A. Dispur, B. Guwahati, C. Shillong. Correct answer is A. Dispur. When was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan? A. 1942, B. 1945, C. 1950. Correct answer is B. 1945. Which is the largest country in the world? A. China, B. USA, C. Russia. Correct answer is C. Russia. Which is the largest state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. What is the language of Malaysia? A. Tamil, B. Malay, C. English. Correct answer is B. Malay. Which Indian state is called the Rice Bowl of India? A. Punjab, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. What is the deepest place on earth? A. Dead Sea, B. Mariana Trench, C. Lake Baikal. Correct answer is B. Mariana Trench. Which sultan was the first to pay salaries to soldiers? A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Correct answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Which river of India is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Ganga, B. Kaveri, C. Godavari. Correct answer is C. Godavari. What is the new name of the Indian Railway Security Force? A. Railway Police Force, B. Railway Protection Force, C. Railway Guard Force. Correct answer is B. Railway Protection Force. Where is the Vivekanand Memorial located? A. Rameshwaram, B. Kanyakumari, C. Varanasi. Correct answer is B. Kanyakumari. Which city is called the Queen of the Arabian Sea? A. Kochi, B. Mumbai, C. Goa. Correct answer is A. Kochi. In Saudi Arabia, the death penalty will no longer be given for which crime? A. Murder, B. Drug trafficking, C. Theft. Correct answer is B. Drug trafficking. Which planet has phases like the Moon? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Jupiter. Correct answer is B. Mercury. Where is Nanda Devi Peeth located? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Which country's president receives the highest salary in the world? A. India, B. USA, C. Singapore. Correct answer is C. Singapore. Which country has the strictest laws in the world? A. Japan, B. Singapore, C. India. Correct answer is B. Singapore. Which player is known by the nickname Jadoo? A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, C. Ronaldo. Correct answer is B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The Prime Minister of which country married his own daughter? A. Iran, B. Iraq, C. Syria. Correct answer is B. Iraq.